So we are back with this uh, solution. So actually, there was a syntax error, the closing and ending of the parenthesis. So I don't think that actually interrupted our logic, logical side of our code. So I would like to actually give you an overview now. So we have actually created the BST, original BST. All right. And then we are printing the original BST first. And then we're going to invert it by using the invert function, which is here. I mean, we are just swapping the subtrees. And then we are calling it recursively. All right. Because we need to go in depth and start uh, swapping the elements. All right. And then on the same side, we have a print tree function. All right, so I'm gonna call that once I need to print out my entire tree. All right, so that is all about BST and invert BST. Let's now execute it. Java C invert BST dot Java invert BST. As you can see now, we have got output. Uh, we had I mean, let's go to this part. So we had, suppose for example, we had one here, and then two, three, and then four, four, six, seven, nine. All right. Okay, so I understand is that this is my right side of my tree, and this is my left side of my tree. All right. So this is my right side of my tree, left side of my tree, and this is my right side of my tree. All right. So we have just inverted. So we get 9, 7, 6, and then we get 4 in between, and then we get 3, 2, 1, and so we are getting the right output. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, and comment, and stay tuned.